Today, I'll be receiving a top 1% achiever and top lister for listing, and honestly, I'm still trying to process it.
Today we have come together as producers for the Unity Convention, showcasing our year's production, achieving as a number 1 in public housing HDB, and also coming out as a top lister together.
This isn't just about numbers or ranking, this is about the hustle. And if one thing I've learned, it is success isn't about luck, it's about consistency.
Moving forward, what you can expect from us together with our partnership is we are going to add more variety to our offerings, namely commercial and industrial properties, so that when clients are looking at ways and means to enhance their property net worth, this is one way we will be able to do so.
Real estate isn't always glamorous. It's long day, weird hours, and dealing with every kind of client you can imagine. But every yes, every signed paperwork, every person who finds their space, that's the real reward.
For those of our consumers, thank you so much for engaging us. Those who have trusted their properties and still holding on to their properties, rest assured we will do even more better.
So thank you to our lovely clients, friends and family who supported us, and anyone who ever trusted us to help them find their next home.
Look forward to contacting us at 97440448 Dallas Hassan or Nuris Alicia 9892 3700. Looking forward to hearing from you all.